museum.
Hey guys, I figured I'd do this Aiden thing. Maybe call it Aiden Part 2 or whatever. The Aiden Quest. I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting kind of close here. There he is. Alright. Let's see what we could do. Basically just trying to get this. So this will be up to 30 then. Alright, so I guess now we just go backwards, right? So what's this? 40. Okay, so that's halfway done then. Where's he at? Yep, 40. Okay, here we go. First part is done. I think that's the 130. And this was, I still need this here. I'm very close. I'm +3. I got the +3 going on. This one, I'm very close to the 15 level. Yeah, this I could do like right now if I wanted to. That's not a biggie. This one will come in time. is this? Oh, yeah. I was just doing this. I just went from 66 to 68, so this is one more here. Done with this one. And then the glyphs. I just did those just now. So we're more than halfway done. Well, we're exactly halfway done. So that's it. I mean, just wanted to show you the progress. I mean, I could pause this and let it sit there till I'm almost done with it, but you know what I should do? I should click on some of this. I'll leave those go. I just love this. This is just so cool. Green, blue, violet, orange, red. Oh, I shouldn't click on that anyways because it's not finished. That's not finished. That's not finished. That's not finished. That one is. Oh, there we go. That's not finished yet. Alright, so now this one we have all the way up to 11. Alrighty. That's pretty much the only thing I wanted to show you. Progress. Alrighty. So that's part 2 of the quest. I don't think there's anything up here to show you. Oh, maybe. Let's see if the Ascension's going. Yep, the Ascension has a dot on it. We'll check out the Ascension. I want to see if I got any Hall of Fame, which I don't. Oh, because it's Sunday night. What I like to do is do a couple of these. The night before, do 3 or 4 of them. That way you don't have to do as many in the morning. Because you're pretty much out of stuff to do. So, I'll do 4. Sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4, sometimes I do 5. I'll do 4 of them. That's good enough. Alright, so then tomorrow I just come in. And yeah, there was no Hall of Fame. I mean, it showed it and I clicked it, but it didn't give me any prizes or anything. Not sure why. There's no red dots anywhere. That's good, that's good. It's good for now. Guess we're good other than this. There's a Hall of Fame over here. At least I got some stuff there. Good. Ooh, 374. That's always nice. I just used the green ones on, geez, I can't even think of the person's name. Oh, on Martha. What the heck? Yeah, I never seem to get these. Even when I get them, I'll accomplish goals and they don't give them to me. Look at Kayla just ripping that person apart in the back row.
And Frank Moore's is a wealthy, wealthy man. We look back at those and say, oh, of course it took off. You know, it was really a big hit right away. Those men and women who start businesses, they don't know that.
Alright, it's just going to be all the same. I'm going to end the video because I don't think you guys want to watch me fight. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Take care.